Hello, today I will show you how to use the BU-353N Global Sat GPS receiver that is USB. If you have not installed a driver already, you can skip this step. But if you have an older driver, you will have to remove it first so you can follow these steps. You can also use these steps to check if you have installed the driver. So on your Mac, you will go to Go, click on Computer. Then you will see your Mac hard drive. Double click that. And then depending on which Mac OS you have, the driver might be in a different file. But for this OS, you will go to Library, Extensions, and then right here you can see prolific USB serial.kex. This means the driver is installed. So if you're having issues with your driver, or you have an older driver, or you just want to check that your driver's here, this is how you check. But if you want to install the latest driver, first make sure to delete this older driver. You would just right click it, move to trash. Enter your password, and then it has moved to the trash. After you move to the trash, make sure to go to your trash, right click, and empty the trash. And then make sure to click empty trash. And then you will reset your Mac. Okay, now that you have restarted your computer, you can make sure to check that the driver is gone. So you would go the same steps, Go, then Computer, then on your hard drive, Library, Extensions, and as you can see, the prolific USB .kex file is now gone. Okay, now to download the latest driver, you would open your Safari, and then you will go to their website, which is globalsat.com.tw. Now on their website, make sure to go to Support, click that, and then you should be able to find the BU-353N. Click on that. Then as you can see, they have the drivers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So on the Mac one, click that to download. Once it's downloaded, your security preferences may not allow it. So in order to allow it, go here, click on your Apple icon, and go to System Preferences. Right here, you should be able to see Security and Privacy. Double click that. And then on the driver, just click OK, and then it should pop up here, and click Open Anyway. Then you click Open, and these now it is installing the driver. Click Continue Install. It would ask you for your password. Click Install Software. Continue installation. It should take about a minute or two to install. And then after you have installed the driver, you would have to restart your Mac. Also make sure that during this whole process, your unit is not connected to your Mac. So once it has installed, it will say the installation was successful, and then it would ask you to restart your Mac. Once you have restarted your Mac again, you can check to see if the driver is installed. So you would go to Go, and then to Computer, click on your Mac hard drive, Library, scroll down to Extensions, and now you can see prolific USB serial.kex. So this shows the driver was installed. Once the driver is installed and you have restart your computer, go to your Safari and then go to their website, globalsat.com.tw, and then you can get GPS info from the same support page you got the driver. So it was support BU-353N, and this is where we got the driver. But as you can see, there is also a GPS info tool for Mac, so download that. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can click on your downloads and you can see it's right here. It's gonna ask you for permission. So again, you have to go to System Preferences on the Apple logo. And then Security and Privacy. Click OK, and then right here it's gonna ask you want to open GPS info. Click Open Anyway. And click Open. As you can see, GPS info does not have a COM port. Make sure to close it. And now you should plug in your BU-353N. Your BU-353N, you should see a red light. When you see the red light, it means the unit has power. If the red light is solid red, it means it does not have a GPS fix, and it is recommended to put this device by a window or an open sky. If the red light is blinking like right now, it means it does have a GPS fix. So open GPS info again. And now you can see right here, USB serial controller. This is the BU-353N. And then you just click Start GPS. And as you can see, it is showing NMEA data and is connected to some of the satellites right here. So this shows that your device is working with the Mac. So you would simply just close GPS info, as the device can only talk to one program at a time, and then you would open your navigational software, make sure to select the BU-353N, and then it should be working. You can open your navigational software and select the device. I will be using GPS utility. And then for the settings, you should be able to see /dev/CUPL2303. On your navigational software, you may have to choose NMEA or generic device. As you can see, NMEA data is scrolling. It is connected to satellites. It's showing lat and long, and that it has a 3D fix. It also has the time. And make sure when you choose your device to also put 4800 baud rate. As you can see, the BU-353N is working with the Mac. If you are having any issues and you cannot see this on your Mac, you might have to follow the steps again to uninstall the driver and then reinstall the driver